Welcome to OVISS CCTV. I'm so glad you decided to take the first step to improve your security camera system at your business. Over the next several days, I will send you short 2 to 5 minute videos to help you understand more about commercial surveillance systems and what to look for when you're ready to buy your next security camera system. I want to help you make a knowledgeable decision and feel confident when you're ready to invest in your security camera system. So be sure to take out 2 to 5 minutes, just short 2 to 5 minutes, and watch these quick videos from me. My name is Beant. I'm the CEO at OVISS. I have over 16 years of experience in the security industry. I've done everything from running wires for security cameras, installing the security cameras, programming the DVRs or NVR systems, providing technical support, and training technicians. Over these years, I've learned more than just a thing or two about security cameras. So I want to share my experience, my knowledge, my expertise with you to help you make a knowledgeable and educated decision on buying your next security camera system. Let's get started. First off, we all know as a business owner the importance of having a security camera system that is always working. A security camera system can help you do many things. It helps you solve a lot of problems that a business has. For example, protect from liability issues and possible lawsuits like slip and falls. It can protect you from vandalism and crime. It can protect you from internal employee theft. It can make customers feel safe, and it can help better your business operations by using it as a training tool for your employees. It's also extremely useful when an incident occurs and you're able to review the recording and see exactly what happened, how it happened. And it's great for keeping proofs, right? Proving something. But that's not always the case. Did you know most business owners don't even know if their security cameras are working at all times? That sucks. Many times an incident occurs, and you may have experienced this yourself. You go check your security cameras, everything looks fine, but there's no recording. An incident just happened and you didn't record that. And you find out it maybe hasn't been recording for days or months. That just sucks. What do? It makes your entire investment in your security cameras go to a complete waste. You spent maybe hundreds or thousands of dollars in protecting your business, but what good is a security camera system if it's not going to benefit you when you need it the most, when you need to find an incident? So what's the benefit of having a security camera system that doesn't work or that's not always working? This is why an always working security camera system is so much more important for your business. Security cameras are no longer an expense, but they're an investment, an important tool to help you in your business operations. And in many ways, they truly pay for themselves over and over. Not all security cameras are made equally though, and not all are made for commercial use. Ask yourself these questions. How many times have I needed a recording that you were not able to view? How many times have you attempted to find an incident, but you weren't able to find it? How many times have you avoided even using your security camera systems because you find them so difficult to use? How many times have you tried or discovered that your security camera systems were not even working? And even if you found a recording that you needed, how easy was it for you to back it up and give it to the authorities or save it for your records? And sometimes you have wished that there was a tech support number that you can actually call that would actually help you instead of just keeping you on hold for hours and hours. If you've answered yes to any of these questions, then you need to start exploring for a new kind of a surveillance system. A one that is actually a commercial grade surveillance system, has an expert tech support that actually helps instead of keeping you on hold for hours. Always working, a security camera system that is always working with a 99% uptime guarantee at the least. Comes with an ongoing, on-demand training when you need to train a staff. A one that has lifetime warranty, and it's easy to use and it works when you need it. We've done the research. We found nothing in the market that fits this description. So we decided to go out and build something of our own. And we developed a managed commercial security camera system that comes with a lifetime warranty and an OVISS Cloud Alerts platform. The OVISS Cloud Alerts platform alerts our support technicians whenever something goes wrong, so we can make sure your security camera system is always working. The best part is we've made it affordable. Wait for my email tomorrow. I will tell you exactly how it works and you'll be impressed. If there's any questions, we'll be happy to answer. If you can't wait, feel free to give us a call. One of our sales advisors will be happy to go over everything with you. And if you decide not to purchase from us, not a problem. We just want to help you make a knowledgeable decision so we can help you avoid some of the costly mistakes that you may have made or that you might make in purchasing a security camera system. Again, my name is Beant Singh and I'm a security professional with over 16 years of experience in the security industry. I'm here to help you avoid the costly mistakes and make a knowledgeable decision when you're ready to buy your next security camera system. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.